Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix widgets that are not opening or showing blank on your Windows 11 machine. And now, let's get started. If you are experiencing an issue where your Windows 11 widgets are appearing blank or are not opening when you hover over them, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can try. First, let's try toggling the widgets feature off and then back on. To do this, right-click on your taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Within the taskbar settings, look for the option labeled Personalization or Taskbar and find the Widgets toggle. If it is currently on, turn it off, then turn it back on. Close the settings window and check if your widgets are now functioning correctly. If toggling the widgets feature did not resolve the issue, the next step is to ensure you are signed into your Microsoft account. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings. On the Settings page, navigate to Accounts on the left-hand side. If you are signed in with a Microsoft account, you will see your account details listed here. If you are currently using a local account, scroll down to your info. Here, you should find an option to sign in with your Microsoft account. Select this option, Sign in with your Microsoft account. Close the settings window and restart your computer. After restarting, check if the widgets are working as expected. Should the problem persist, a common fix involves setting Microsoft Edge as your default browser. To do this, right-click on the Start button and choose Settings. In the Settings window, click on Apps on the left side, then select Default Apps on the right. Scroll down the list of applications until you find Microsoft Edge. Click on Microsoft Edge. Here, you should see an option to set it as your default browser. Click this button. Additionally, it is recommended to ensure Microsoft Edge is set as the default for specific file extensions related to web content, such as .htm, .html, and .mht. Look for these file types in the default apps list, and if they are not already assigned to Microsoft Edge, click on them and select Microsoft Edge from the pop-up window. Once you have made these changes, close the settings and restart your computer. After the restart, try accessing your widgets again to see if the issue is resolved. If you have followed all these steps and are still encountering problems with your widgets, please leave a comment in the section below, and I will do my best to provide further assistance. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.